Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. To understand the difference between the pure substance and a mixture, we should know what are physical changes and chemical changes. So in this video, I'm going to explain physical changes and chemical changes. Physical changes are those changes in which there is no change in the composition and the chemical nature of the substance. You can take the example of water. Water, when it freezes, it will change into ice. And when we boil water, it will change into water vapor. So there is change in the state of the substance, but there is no change in the chemical nature of the substance. So physical changes, you can say they are temporary changes, and there are changes only in the physical properties. Chemical properties, they remain the same. In case of chemical change, there is change in the physical properties as well as the chemical properties of the substance, and it is the permanent change where some new substance altogether different from the constituent substance that is formed. There are many examples in our day-to-day life. We can segregate that these are the physical changes and these are chemical changes. I am going to tell you. First, I will tell you the difference between the two. Many times the question like this, what are the differences between the physical change and the chemical change? Write examples, 2 examples or 1 example of each. So this is physical change and this is a chemical change. Changes take place only in the properties. Which properties? Such as color, physical state, density, etc. Changes result in the formation of the new chemical substance. Here is some new chemical substance that is formed. This change is temporary. Physical change is temporary, but chemical change is permanent. Third point is, original substance can be obtained back easily. By physical method, we can again convert the substance which we have obtained after the change into the original substance. Here, the original substance cannot be obtained back easily. Next point is, chemical properties of the substance remain unchanged. This is very important. Chemical properties, they remain unchanged even after the change. And here, new substance with altogether different properties are formed. Now, I will tell you some examples. Like ripening of the fruit. Is this a physical change or a chemical change? This is a chemical change. Cooking of food. This is again a chemical change. Cutting of a tree. That is a physical change. Burning of wax. Burning of wax and melting of wax. When the candle burns, both type of the changes they take place. When wax melt, it's a physical change. But when wax burn, that is the chemical change. Here is some new substance that is formed. So from your day-to-day life, you can take as many examples as you can. Growth of The child, that is a chemical change. Okay? Spoilage of food, that is a chemical change. Cutting of paper, that is a physical change. So you should know, sometimes the question like this, there are some changes given, you are to categorize them, whether they are physical changes or chemical changes. So the things should be clear to you. The definition of both physical change and chemical change, that should be clear to you. And then next, we will study about the pure substance, that is the element and the compound, in the next video. So till then, thank you very much.